I found my thrill on Blueberry. Recognise the song? That was playing it sort of ordinary. This is how it should sound. I found my thrill. Listen to that. On Blueberry Hill. And it's all about playing that triplet feel. As soon as you start doing that, it goes from being just ordinary, playing the chords, to having that true rock and roll feel. So today, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm Rob B from Rebel Piano, and welcome to our third video, our third week of the Rock and Roll Toolkit series. And today, it's all about this essential triplet feel, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go to the overhead camera, and I'll show you how to play the intro, the beginning of this song. But it's all about getting that feel, that rock and roll feel, okay? Overhead camera, here we go. Okay, we're playing the chord F, because it's in the key of C, but the first chord he starts singing on is an F, so it goes, I found my thrill. That's where it comes in. And the count is 4. I'm going to tap my hand on here. 1, 2. I'll just do it at normal speed first. I found my thrill. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's slow it right down now, and I'll show you how to do it. So if the count is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do that with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When you're learning it, I suggest you start by tapping on your legs here like this. So get that going. 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If it feels a bit awkward, just keep trying, you will get this. If it feels awkward, it means it's working. You're starting to learn. So if it feels a bit awkward, keep going with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And that translates onto the piano like this. We'll play a really simple left hand. So we're just going to play one note to start with. Just get that going so it's automatic. If you've practiced on your legs, it'll come quicker. And then right hand. Okay, let's add a really simple left hand. So we'll just play those 2 notes, okay? Get that going automatically. That sort of tempo. And then the intro is I found my thrill. And that's when you go to an F in the left hand. You could play it there, probably easier. Thrill. That's better. On Blueberry Hill. Oops. See what I'm doing? I'm getting that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with a straight 4 left hand. When you're getting a bit better still, do that with your left hand. I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. On Blueberry Hill. When I found you. You're getting it? You're seeing how it goes now? It actually, just back to the overhead mic, the original goes like this. I found my thrill. But that's really quite difficult to play. That left hand. So whilst you're learning, play it straight there. But as long as you've got that triplet going there, it's got that rock and roll feel, okay? So, as I said before, if it feels awkward, good. That means you're learning it. So keep going with it, whatever happens. Don't think too much. Just get the feel of it. Get that da-da-da-da-da-da, that rock and roll feel, okay? So, this is number 3 of the series. Number 1 was the blue note, which you can use in that song as well. See? Oh, yeah. Second was the slide, so. The third in the series is this one, which is the triplet feel. The next video is going to be all about the left hand, okay? So if you're struggling with the left hand, we're going to concentrate on that in the next video, in the next one in the series. So, I'm Rob B from Rebel Piano, and I hope I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye, bye, bye. I found my thrill.